Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, as you've probably read from the title, I'm going to be reviewing a gift box for you. This box here is from Luxe Gifting and this is what the box looks like. Now I'm just going to start with saying that I have always loved gift boxes. I think they are such a great idea. You're able to put a variety of different products into a beautifully presented box to give as a gift to someone, or even as a little treat for yourself. I always find them so nice to open, and if it is a gift for yourself, it gives you something to look forward to just opening that pretty box. Luxe Gifting is actually a very new brand. They have only recently started and they have a variety of different gift boxes depending on what you're after. So as you're about to see, I got a little nail set which came at a perfect time considering at the time that I got the gift box, the salons and everything were still closed, so we've all been having to do our own nails and everything at home. I did notice on their Instagram page they had a variety of different gift boxes, so the nail set was just one of them. Then they had some skincare products, candles, and I've seen they've recently added some baby wear as well. So I'm going to open the box for you so you can take a look inside. So these are the items that I received, and when you receive the box, I've already used them and taken them out so that I could test them all prior to coming on here. But this, like all of the products, are actually hidden inside and underneath this, so you kind of have to dig through to find your products, which is actually quite exciting. So the items that I received were the water-based nail polish remover, the ridge filling base coat, and the tough top coat, which is this one here. And then 3 nail polish colors. So this is the nude one that I'm wearing at the moment. Then this one here is a little bit more grey, and this one here is nice and bright. So as soon as they arrived, I tried them all, and what I did is I applied 1 coat of the base coat, then 2 coats of the nail polish, and then finished it with 1 coat of the top coat. Bit of a tongue twister. Another thing with the top coat is that it adds that extra level of shine to your nails. So when you go and get your nails done and you get a gel or something, they stay nice and shiny, whereas when you use a normal nail polish, they don't. But the top coat makes them a little bit harder, and it also makes them shiny and they stay shiny, which is a perfect substitute, especially at the moment if we're not able to go and get our nails done. I also tried the nail polish out for a few days just to test how it would wear, and I think again because of the base coat and the top coat, it helps protect the nail, which lasts longer. And I found the top coat really helped the nail polish dry. I applied it before I went to bed, which I know is not the best thing to do normally. Whenever I do that, usually I wake up and I find little lines all throughout my nail polish, but I did that, and I think because of the top coat, it actually helped the nail polish dry. So normally when I apply normal nail polish, within the first day it chips, whereas this one here lasted 2 to 3 days until it started to chip a little bit just on the edge. And I was actually watching someone's YouTube channel the other day, and they uploaded a video and shared a tip with nail polish. They say that they filed it a little bit every day and that didn't chip. So I'm yet to try it because my nails haven't chipped, and after 3 days I usually paint them anyway. But that's a tip to try, I guess. If your nails are chipping straight away, you can try and file them every day just a little bit and see if that helps. I'm also going to insert some clips of me applying the nail polish so that you can see the process of how to apply it with the base coat and then the nail polish and then the top coat as well, and just so you can see the colors on me as well. Overall, I have been really happy and impressed with the whole process of ordering this box. They are really helpful over on their Instagram page as well, and were able to answer all of my questions that I had, which I do tend to have a few questions. The box came packaged beautifully and it is such a nice gift idea. If you're looking to get something for someone special, then this is a really beautiful idea, and know that you are also supporting a small Australian brand at the same time. As always, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask, and if there's anything that I'm not able to answer for you, then I'm sure that the beautiful team at Luxe Gifting would be more than happy to answer them for you. I'm also going to leave a link in the description box to their page so you can head over and check them out. And if you enjoy this style of video, then please let me know by liking, and if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, then please do, it would mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!